runners in for second and third.
And that'll put him in the top three in money one coming back. So they call the bareback riding the most physically demanding contest in professional rodeo. If you don't think it's physically demanding, look at the guys' faces as they ride. Look at the grit and the grimace from the cowboy from Dillon. Oh, 2 horses tonight for Jaco Roper. But whoa, the horse's feet just missed his head. Miller will still do well enough to win the guitar. Yeah, the Montana Cowboy goes, I don't think so, Scooter. Yeah, he liked his second shot. So here are your advancers headed to the semifinals. Bradley Miller along with Keenan Hayes, Jaco Roper, Jacob Lees, all moving on. Okay, are you still hiding? Oh, that's it. He's shooting ski. Ladies and gentlemen, Bradley Miller, the bareback rock riding champion of Super Series number 3. Thank you to Chevron for bringing it our way.
Stick around, friends. We'll bring them in pairs. Team roping when we come back in Houston.
You look up cowboy in the dictionary, it's something about a hat and boots and spurs. It's literally taking care of the animals. This is their job. Some days you don't have time to stop for meals or breaks, but we only have to take care of ourselves. We have a pretty big job, and the element plays a big part in me being able to get all of that done. If you want to put a lot out, you better put some back in. When you stay salty, you're living wisely.
Hello everyone, I'm April Lufrio with another deal from Incredible Inventions. We partner with Zippy to bring you innovative home solutions with the